The video you're about to see addresses the containment of leaks that could occur in chlorine cylinders. While leaks in these cylinders rarely occur, prompt corrective action by trained personnel using special equipment is required. The Chlorine Institute Emergency Kit B has been a proven tool for the containment of leaks in chlorine ton containers for over half a century. Over this time, the emergency kit has undergone several key design changes, with the last major enhancement in 2014. The 2014 model was designed to be lighter, easier to apply, and to increase its overall effectiveness. A comparison between the current 2014 design and previous models highlights these key new features. Kit B 2014 contains a spring-activated adjustable yoke assembly, 28C, with only 2 bolts as compared to the previous 8-bolt multi-bar configuration. The 2014 yoke design allows for quick installation and ease of adjustment, making it much more effective and easier to apply device 12 around leaking valves correctly. Yoke assembly 28C may be used with new hood 14A to contain leaks in and around the fusible plug. Hood 14A does not anchor onto the leaking fusible plug, as was the case with the previous design. Yoke 28C of the 2014 model is lighter, more versatile, and easier to apply than the pre-2014 design. Device 9 has also been significantly redesigned to improve ease of use and effectiveness of the device. The 2014 model uses a radial button-style gasket to seal a container sidewall leak. The gasket design requires much less pressure to seal than the previous flat patch design. This advantage allows for applying the device by hand without a wrench. The 2014 design also replaces the standard side chain with a durable adjustable strap. The strap is lighter, wider, and evenly spreads out the force against the container sidewall without the pinch points of a chain. Device 9 of the 2014 model seals container sidewall leaks with less pressure than the previous kit patch design. The Chlorine Institute Emergency Kit B Model 2014 has been designed to improve overall effectiveness and ease of application for the chlorine emergency responder.